When we talk about safety in modern cars, automatic emergency braking has become a must-have feature. The 2026 BYD Seal 07 DMI takes this technology to the next level with a system that is not just reactive, but also predictive. By combining multiple sensors, including cameras, and in higher trims even LiDAR, the car creates a full-dimensional view of the road. This means it can detect vehicles, pedestrians, and unexpected obstacles much faster than a human driver could react. During real-world testing, the system showed how it can step in when drivers are distracted or caught off guard. For example, in sudden traffic stops, the Seal 07 DMI quickly applied the brakes, bringing the vehicle to a halt with impressive control. The technology is not just about stopping power, but also about preventing secondary accidents. It works in harmony with lane-keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warnings to give drivers multidimensional protection. This kind of intelligent safety suite provides peace of mind. Whether you are navigating crowded city streets or driving on highways, the Seal 07 DMI gives you confidence that the car is watching your back. It is more than a machine. It feels like a smart companion that is always ready to protect you.